Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to send emojis on Discord. So go to Discord and from here you can type smiley. If you want to type an emoji, then you can type smiley like this and then tap send, and you can see there is a smiley. So yeah, and the second option is if you tap that emoji icon which is on the right corner, then you will get a lot of emojis right here, you can see. So from here you can search emojis like cool or thumbs up or thumbs down, so you can send your favorite emojis to your friends or to your server members. So from here you can search emojis that you would like to send to your friends. So here is your thumbs up, here is your thumbs down. So yeah, this is how you can make or you can send emojis to your friends or server members. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.